To install the DDS2, which is a dendrometer designed to measure the diameter of small stems, we're going to use this particular model. It's got a bracket that wraps around the outside of the stem and it's secured with these rubber bands. And we're going to demonstrate on this branch, this olive branch just here. Normally when you're selecting the trunk, obviously it's vertical, so again you're just selecting a uniform straight part of the trunk and placing it around the outside. So the installation for this is that this bracket moves at the moment. I've got these loosened off, but with these tightening nuts will allow us to adjust the dendrometer to the right place. So we just put these around the back of the branch, wrap the straps around. They've got small holes, so it allows you to choose a hole to secure. Just has to be firm, doesn't have to be massively tight. It'll hold the dendrometer in place. Then what we're looking at doing is to adjust the dendrometer in, straightening up the little guide to hold it on the branch, and you can see that I can compress the arm that's got 11 mils of travel, and that will follow the stem out as it grows, but it will also expand and contract each day. So we need a little bit of pressure on it. We need 1 to 2 millimeters of compression, which is about there. So we just hold that in place. Tighten up the little tightening nuts at the back, and the dendrometer is installed.